Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to earn by watching videos on Swagbucks. In today's video, I'll show you how you can earn rewards by watching videos on Swagbucks. First, make sure you've downloaded and installed the Swagbucks app on your mobile device. Open the app and log into your account, and you will land on the homepage. Keep in mind, the video earning feature isn't available everywhere, so it depends on your region. Using a VPN won't help and may cause the app to crash. If the feature is available in your area, tap the Discover button in the bottom right corner. From there, you'll see a section dedicated to videos you can watch for rewards. Simply select a video, watch it until the end, and you'll earn points that you can later redeem. This is an easy and fun way to make a bit of extra cash in your free time with Swagbox. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.